Are you a social media manager struggling to keep clients? Or maybe you've just started out and things aren't going as smoothly as you've hoped for? Well, chances are you are making a few key mistakes that are secretly costing you clients. And today I'm here to help you fix that. Yes, I've been there before, guys, and in my early days as a virtual assistant and as a social media virtual assistant, I lost clients for reasons I didn't even understand. At that time, it felt like I was doing everything I could do. Everything was right in my own eyes, and I wasn't, it just feels like the clients were not sticking around. And guess what? It was not even about the content quality, not about the creativity, not about my own creativity. It was about some simple things I was actually overlooking. Let's talk about 5 mistakes that could be holding you back as a virtual assistant, as a social media manager. Number 1 is communication. Yes, communication. Social media is a fast-paced, but your clients don't always understand that. Social media is always so fast. When they send you an email or a message, they expect a response, not next week. They expect an immediate response. But today, no. A scene on Instagram DM doesn't count. People don't even care. Here is how to fix it. Set clear boundaries and expectations from the beginning. Let your clients know that when you are available, you will respond to them. Even when you have read their message and you are not available to respond at that time, always respond promptly to reassure them that you've got everything under control. Communication is like the foundation of any strong client relationship. Simple as that. Whether you are in the same time zone or not, you should be available to communicate. Then number 2 is not understanding their goals. If you don't understand your client's goals, it's going to be like you are working for your enemy. You can be the most talented content creator out there, but if you are not aligned with what your client actually wants, it's game over. Are you looking for brand awareness, lead generation, or conversion? Let them know. You need to know from day one what exactly your clients need from you. How can you know that? You can just dive deep into their goals at the beginning of your relationship. Ask questions. What does success look like for you? What KPIs what key performance indicators are you actually focused on? It shows you what they need, and it shows you care about their business beyond pictures. Then mistake number 3 is over compromising and under delivering. Oh gosh. Mistake number 3, over promising and under delivering. This one hurts. Overpromising is a trap many new social media managers fall into. It's tempting to impress clients with bold claims like we'll double your followers in 30 days, but when the results don't follow, trust is lost. You don't have to overpromise what you cannot do. Instead of that, be transparent from the start. Explain that social media growth is a long game. It's better to underpromise and overdeliver every time. This way, your clients will be pleasantly surprised and not disappointed in you or putting you under pressure because they are expecting so much from you. Then mistake number 4, ignoring data and analytics. When you forget to track and analyze your data, content creation is fun, but it's the numbers that actually tell you what exactly and what's actually working. If you are not looking at metrics like engagement, reach, or your click rate, your click-through rate, you are flying blind. You don't even know what is working. You just keep trying new things, and it's going to frustrate you at the long run. How do you fix that? Regularly review the analytics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use the data to guide what type of content you create, what times to post, and which platforms to focus on. Your clients will see that you are result driven, not just creatively minded. You should be able to attach all your creativities to numbers. Then mistake number 5 is not setting clear boundaries. This mistake is what most social media managers do. It leads to burnout. If you don't set boundaries with your clients, you begin to people please them, and it doesn't end well. You're answering texts at midnight, handling emergency edits every weekend. You will lose control and you'll be tired. The solution is just that: set office hours for yourself, define the scope of work, and be clear about what's considered an urgent request. Boundaries don't push clients away. They build respect and a healthy working relationship. Don't think that when you tell your clients this is the time I'm available, you're pushing them away. No, you are not. Then mistake number 6, not having your own social media presence as a social media manager. This one is huge. How can you say you are a social media manager but you don't even have your own social media presence? Guys, make it make sense. Think about it. Would you hire a chef who is you've never seen the chef cook, or you don't even know if the chef can cook, or a fitness trainer who doesn't work out? It doesn't make any sense. To me, it doesn't make any sense. As a social media manager, your platform is your portfolio. It is where your potential clients can actually see that you actually know exactly what you're doing. They should be able to tell. If you are telling your clients you can grow their engagement, increase their followers, or create amazing content, why wouldn't you showcase your skills on your own page? Why? How? What do you do? How do you fix this? Start by building your personal brand or business profile where you can actually share your own tips, success stories, testimonials of people you have worked with, examples of your work. Treat your own page like it's your number one client. Post consistently. Engage with your audience and track your results. This actually gives you that professionalism feel that you are going to be using to work with your clients. By doing this, you're not just showing your clients what you can do. You are showing them that you are already doing what you're already doing, and that's very powerful. You become your own working testimony. That is what I do with my Instagram page, and I cannot even count how many clients I got through my Instagram. Introducing to you the virtual assistant starter ensemble. I want to help you take it to the next level. As a social media manager or a virtual assistant, if you have the right tools, it makes all the difference for you. That is why I've created a virtual assistant starter ensemble. It's a full toolkit designed to help you streamline your workflow, impress your clients, and you start landing roles immediately. Start getting clients immediately. What is the virtual assistant starter ensemble? What does it include? It's a toolkit, a template that is a bundle of templates. It has the price guide to help you set the rates with confidence, a proposal template that wows potential clients from the first pitch. How I work with clients is also a template. It gives you your clients a clear understanding of your process. Then an email template for polished professional communication with your client. Then discovery call scripts to guide your first client meeting with ease. Then an audit template to evaluate your client's current social media efforts and provide actionable feedback. A target client worksheet to help you define who you should be working with. Then a strategy template for building out successful social media campaigns. A social media marketing template for managing content calendars and campaigns for your clients. Then a rate card template to present your services and pricing in a professional format. There's also a media kit template to showcase your skills, experiences, and your services. A client welcome package to onboard new clients smoothly. Analytical templates. If I just continue with all of these templates, you get bored, but you get what I mean. It's a template bundle that you need as a social media manager or as a virtual assistant. This bundle will help you save time, look professional, and stay organized. Everything you need to scale your social media management business, whether you are just starting out or you already working with clients. The VA starter ensemble has you covered. Is for virtual assistant and for social media managers. If you are serious about leveling up your social media management game, stop waiting. Grab a copy. I'm going to be adding a link to get a copy in the description of this video. And there you have it, guys. Those are the 6 mistakes you are making as a new social media manager or a new virtual assistant that is costing you clients. And I hope you have been able to learn. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, any of my future tips and tools to help you grow your social media business. See you guys until next time. Bye.